See? Strive. And what he says to strive with? Bi'amwalikum wa anfusikum. Well, that's a trouble. He says strive with your wealth and yourself. And that's two problems people have. When it comes to spending their wealth in the path of Allah, they're always crying. When it comes to spending time, anfusikum means your time. Because how you'll give yourself when you don't have time? They're always busy, they have no time. Two things that we don't have. No, we have, We have. We have time to look at a movie for 3 hours on television, or we have time to go to a sports game down in Miami Heat, or at the stadium, and look at Super Bowl. We look at any football game, any basketball. Oh boy, hours and nights and days we have time for. But we don't have one day in the path of Allah. We can't spend 1 hour in the path of Allah. So we have the time. And when it comes to the money, we have the money to buy properties, and we invest in and more and more. But we don't have time to, we don't have money to spend in the path of Allah. Remember I told you that you have people when it comes to spending dawah and spreading the message of the Quran and spreading the dawah and supporting dawah, that's when their hand freezes. As it goes here, it freezes. It just can't come back out. It goes in, alhamdulillah, mashallah, but it doesn't come back out. Yeah, everybody having it. Go ahead, man. I see the boys. And then the hand stuck. Don't pray for that hand to remain there forever. And somebody else will take the money from underneath.